back. No. Yep, he's on there. He's on.
Go as far as you can. Just a little out there.
Get over there. Get out of there. I want to see what size this is. All right, I barely hooked them. Is it tail pinch, right?
Yeah.
What you think? I think
18 and a half.
I think he's good. Yep.
Yeah. It's 18 to 27.
Yep. Let me wash them off real quick. Put them in my cooler.